Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for social science for standard 8, chapter number 14, that is disaster management. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, which of the following is a natural disaster? It's option number C, flood. Second, which of the following is a man-made disaster? It's option number B, bomb blast. Third, which of the following disasters is not included in man made disasters? It's option number D, earthquake. Fourth, which of the following is a natural disaster? It's option number D, tsunami. Fifth, which of the following is a man made disaster? It's option number A, fire. Sixth, which of the following is a man made disaster? It's option number C, industrial accident. Seventh, which disaster can be predicted, that is forecasted? It's option number B, cyclone. Eighth, which disaster cannot be predicted? It's option number C, earthquake. Ninth, which disaster cannot be predicted? It's option number D, landslide. Tenth, which disaster can be predicted? It's option number A, epidemic. 11th, who is responsible for the forest fire? It's option number B, human activity. 12th, due to which natural disaster does the landscape of an area changes? It's option number C, due to landslide. 13th, by which disaster is the Kumaon and Garhwal area of Uttarakhand state is affected or influenced? It's option number D, landslide. 14th, which incident or phenomena rarely occurs in Ambaji Danta, that is Banaskantha in Gujarat? It's option number A, landslide. 15th, which of the following incidents happen rarely in Saputara, that is Dangs in Gujarat? It's option number B, landslides. 16th, which of the following is a viral or virus borne disease? It's option number A, Ebola. 17th, which of the following is a viral disease? It's option number D, corona. 18th, which of the following is a viral disease? It's option number C, swine flu. 19th, due to which of the following disasters the health of large number of people can have serious effects? It's option number C, industrial accident. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, natural disaster inflicts heavy loss of to life and property in a wide area. Second, cyclone is a predictable natural disaster. Third, forest fire is an unpredictable natural disaster. Fourth, riots are a man made disaster. Fifth, landslide is a natural disaster. Sixth, the ecological balance is disturbed in the area where the forest fire occurs. Seventh, the phenomena of sudden fall of a mass of earth, rock, etc. is called landslide. 8. There are two hairs like an antenna on the head of a locust. Ninth, the desert locusts, which have the habit of eating equal to their own weight, are known as voracious locusts. 10th, the whole world experiences the problems due to the effects of the corona outbreak which occurred in the year 2019 to 2020 AD. 11th, due to the leakage of toxic gas in the factories producing pesticides, the atmosphere and the reservoirs, that is the water bodies, become polluted. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, earthquake is a predictable disaster, it is false. Second, flood is a natural disaster, it is true. Third, tsunami is a man made disaster, it is false. Fourth, the disaster like epidemic cannot be forecasted, it is false. Fifth, riots are a man made disaster, it is true. Sixth, tsunami is a disaster which can be forecast, it is true. Seventh, locusts like to fly during the nights, it is false. Eighth, the locusts attacking over Gujarat are known as desert locusts, it is false. Ninth, World Health Organization, that is WHO, provides guidance to people in case of a pandemic situation. It is true. 10th, in case of toxic gas leakage in an industrial accident, one should run in the opposite direction of the wind. It is true. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one is natural disaster. It's option number 2, forest fire. Second one, man-made disaster. It's option number 4, industrial accident. Third, incidents of forest fire. It's option number 1, forests on the slopes of Himalayas. Fourth, reason for landslide. It's option number 3, routes or roads made by cutting the mountains. Now, second part of match the following. First one, landslide affected area. It's option number 3, Idar, that is in Sabarkantha. Second, state affected by locust. It's option number 5, Gujarat. Third, viral disease. It's option number 4, corona. Fourth, explosion in the fireworks factory. It's option number 1, industrial accident. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer the following questions in one or two sentences. First one, what is a natural disaster? The disaster that is caused by the natural forces or circumstances is called natural disaster. Second, which are natural disasters? Flood, cyclone, tsunami, locust, hazard, epidemic, earthquake, volcano, forest fire, landslide, etc. are called natural disasters. Third, which are man made disasters? The man made disasters are as follows: first, fire; second, riot; third, bomb explosion; and fourth is industrial accidents. Fourth question, which natural disasters are predictable? The predictable natural disasters are as follows: first, flood; second, cyclone, that is also known as storm; third, tsunami; fourth, locust hazard; and fifth is epidemic. Fifth question, which are unpredictable natural disasters? The unpredictable natural disasters are earthquake, volcano, forest fire, and landslide. Sixth question, what is a forest fire? The severe and destructive fire which spreads over the forest or in the grasslands is called forest fire. Seventh one, in which forests of our country have the incidents of fire been reported? The incidents of fire have been reported in the forests on the slopes of the Himalayas and in the forests of South India. Eighth one, what is meant by landslide? The phenomena of collapsing of land, that is, sudden fall of a mass of earth, rock, etc., is known as landslide. Ninth, in which particular areas do the landslides occur the most? The landslides occur especially in mountainous areas. Tenth one, at which places in Gujarat do the incidents of landslide rarely occurs? The incidents of landslide rarely occurs at Saputara and Dang district, at Idar in Sabarkantha district, and at Ambaji, Danta, etc. places of Banaskantha district. 11th, where are the species of locusts that attack Gujarat found? The species of locusts that attack Gujarat are found in India, Pakistan, and in some arid countries of Africa. 12th one, for which reasons are the desert locusts also known as voracious locusts? The desert locusts are known as the voracious locust because of their habitat or habit of eating equal to their own weight. 13th, what do the farmers do to stop the locusts from descending into the fields? The farmers play the dhol nagada or dishes and make loud noises to repel the locusts from entering into the fields. 14th, which are the major states affected by the locust hazard? Gujarat and Rajasthan are the major states affected by the locust hazard. 15th, what is an epidemic situation? When thousands of people become victims to a viral disease in a wide area, the situation is known as an epidemic situation. 16th, Which are viral or virus borne diseases? Ebola, swine flu, dengue, corona, etc. are viral or virus borne diseases. 17th. What is the main characteristics of viral or virus borne diseases? The number of virus affected people increases much faster the common diseases, and the large number of people die. This is the main characteristic of viral diseases. 18th. When are the accidents likely to occur in the industrial units? The accidents are likely to occur in the industrial units while handling small and big machines, while transferring the raw materials used for production, and also while storing or transferring the finished goods. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions briefly. First one, under what circumstances does a forest fire erupt, or state the reasons for forest fire? The forest fire erupts under the following circumstances. The forest fire takes place due to lightning or gas by the accidents occurred in the pipelines passing through in the forest. The forest fire erupts due to the striking of lightning in the forest. During autumn season, the accumulated dry leaves and dry grass work as the fuel in the fire. Dry air and combustible fuel are the basic reasons for the forest fire. Second, what should be done to avoid the occurrence of the forest fire? To avoid the occurrence of forest fire in the forest area, follow according to the instructions of the forest department. Special patrolling arrangements should be done during autumn season in the forest. The workers of the forest department should be given special training to douse the forest fire. The working of the forest department should be made more comprehensive and intensive. While traveling in forest area, the BDs or cigarettes with burning ends should not be thrown. Third question, which factors are responsible for landslide? The following factors are responsible for the landslide. Occasional tremors occurring on the surface of the earth due to earthquake, the phenomena of cloud bursting, the disaster like the river flood, mining activity carried out in the mountainous areas by exploding the ammunitions, deforestation by destroying the forests, constructing the roads by cutting the mountains. Fourth question, state the remedies to protect from the pandemic, or state the remedies to protect from the viral or virus borne diseases. The remedies to protect from the pandemic or viral, that is virus borne diseases, are arrange a separate ward in the hospitals for the treatment of those who are infected by the disease. The citizens coming from outside should be allowed to enter only after adequate medical examination. The vaccine should be taken to avoid the infection. Fifth one, give details of the accidents likely to occur in an industrial accident. The accidents are likely to occur in the industrial units while handling small and big machines, while transferring the material used for production, and also while storing or transferring the finished goods. Sometimes accidents occur due to mechanical malfunctioning because of human error or by inappropriate maintenance of the machines. Industrial accidents are the leakage of poisonous gases in pesticides factories, explosions in the cracker factories, explosions or fires in refineries, the breaking out of fire in the units producing nuclear energy, etc., are considered to be the industrial accidents. Sixth one, briefly describe the effects of disasters. The main effects of the disasters are as follows. Due to the disasters, severe damage is caused to movable and immovable property, or they are completely destroyed. The government has to spend crores of rupees to reconstruct the property, so the developmental works have to be suspended. Those families who have lost their earning member face unbearable economic condition. The people who become disabled in the disaster permanently lose their mental stability. Innocent children and males females are dead untimely. Now we'll continue with question number 7, that is write short note on locust hazard. Locust is a type of insect. According to an estimation, approximately there are 11,000 species found in the world. They prefer to stay in groups. In one group, they are in millions. They are usually found in desert areas. They are 1.5 to 2 inches long. They have strong wings on their back to fly. Their front two legs are longer than their hind legs. They have two antennae like hairs on their head. They can jump up to 2.5 feet. They tend to move in the direction of the wind. The locusts that attack Gujarat are desert locusts. This species is found in India, Pakistan, and some arid countries of Africa. It is also known as voracious locust due to its habit of eating exactly equal to its own weight. As they mature, they lay their eggs in the sand. They like to fly during the day and at night. They take rest at some place. They eat almost all crops and other vegetation except neem. And here we come to the end of chapter number 14, that is disaster management. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.